How many goddamn crows are there? Oh. Okay. Didn't mean like that. Oh, damn. Whoa. Jesus Christ. They're dropping shit on me. Hi. Well, happy fall to y'all. Last time that we went out, we accumulated some more wear and tear, I guess you could say. And as anyone with the motorcycle that goes off-road is going to know, it's going to happen. We lost turn signal. This one amazingly has stayed on, barely. Only got one mirror left. The hand guards, these ones, I'm fed up with them. They're shit. Shifter lever has been bent several times. Oh, don't want to forget the front fender. So those are things that need to be fixed. Got some stuff in the mail for that. I picked up a new front fender. This is an ep8.5 Universal Supermoto, whatever they want to call it. And then I also got a Taillight Assembly. I went with the, what is this, Edge 2 taillight. Now the stock Edge 2 taillight is pretty dim. And just a basic brake light, you have to get the mounts to put on a taillight, or the turn signals, and you have to buy the turn signal separately. So there's a modification out there made by 12oclockLabs, and it's a new circuit board with new LEDs, everything you need to replace the circuitry and the light inside here. And this is much brighter, and it is programmable to act as turn signal, and it has the strobe braking where it'll strobe the brake light a couple times and then it'll stay solid, or you can just cancel it out. It has a bunch of different programmable turn signal effects and everything. And since it's much brighter, it can be well seen through the smoked out lens cover. That should take care of everything, and we will get started. So the first thing I'm going to fix is the easiest thing to fix, because I bought double take mirrors. These things are really stout. They guarantee that you'll never break the mirror itself. Under extreme circumstances, you can break the ram mount, like so. What happened was, took a decent fall, pretty hard actually, and the stupid Acherbis handguards, which I'm pretty fed up with, they're coming off. The handguard on a big fall, like normal, would come up. This time it came up and sliced this in half right there. Fortunate enough, ram mounts, pretty good platform to have any system on, because replacement parts are easy to come by. Boom, got the new part. Throw those away. All I need to do is mount it up. And there you go. It's one thing done. So the next thing I want to tackle is replacing this front fender with the Acherbis Universal. Yeah, those are pretty loose. There's a pretty nifty system for finding out how to space this out on the new one. Let's go check it out. Acherbis gives you some fun stuff, some directions, some stickers. But one of these stickers is actually for the purpose of mounting the new fender. They tell you exactly 35, 31.5, 53, and 11. If you've ever done scatter plots or anything back in school, you should be familiar with this. Corners are supposed to match up with these little bottom corners here. So it should look just like that. Close enough, right? Thereabouts. There you go. Should look at that. It's not too bad. Color's pretty close. I think it's just clean and that's dirty. Second thing done. Now on to the taillight assembly. Really? You guys? Can we go somewhere else? Seriously? How many goddamn crows are there? Oh. Okay. Didn't mean like that. Oh, damn. Whoa. Jesus Christ. They're dropping shit on me. Hi. What's going on here? Okay, come back. Oh, now you're quiet. No. Anyways. Oh. What do you guys got left behind, huh? You sons of bitches. But yeah, so I'm gonna be replacing this giant hunk of shit. We don't need that anymore. Now we have this guy. Has everything together. So now all that's left is to wire up these guys to the stock wiring, and in the directions from 12oclockLabs, it tells you exactly, you know, wiring configuration, what colors go to what. You have two options for wiring: billet connectors, I think they're called billet connectors, and the silicone sleeves, and you would just directly wire in whatever you need to whatever you need. Or you can get it as close to stock as possible by using the supplied, whatever these are called, connectors that are exactly the same as the stock setup. So that's what I'm going to do. And you use the little supplied prongs. You can solder it and then you can crimp it, which is what I'm going to do. Or you can just crimp it. It's supposed to use a special crimping tool for these things, but if you're careful, you can just use pliers. That's what I'm going to solder and crimp to make sure that's as solid as possible. And then you would just insert the wires after they're crimped into, you know, your sleeves. My hands are a little shaky because I haven't had anything to eat today. So if you did a YouTube search for the worst soldering out there, this would come up. If it holds, it holds, right? Okay, so we got it all finished, soldered up, crimped, put into the connectors, and we're gonna go try it out. And now, boom. Well, let's take a look at this in action. So if I hit left turn signal, the front's gonna blink pretty fast. And in the back, that's what you're gonna see if you're standing behind me, or riding behind me, or driving behind me. Nice. Yeehaw! Very nice. That cleans it up a lot. Look at that. I like it. Good looking bike, eh?
Bye.